Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on solving problems with ratios. There are problems that can easily be solved using ratios. We need to understand that a ratio consists of at least two numbers. Each number tells you how many parts we are considering. The sum of the numbers tells you the total number of parts. Keeping this in mind, let us look at some typical problems. Let's look at the first example. Some marbles were shared between Tom and Bill in the ratio 3:5. If Tom received 12 marbles, how many marbles did Bill receive? Okay, so let's put down some information that we know. Tom received 3 parts of the total because Tom was mentioned first, so the 3 refers to Tom. So 12 marbles represents 3 parts. So 3 parts equals 12 marbles, therefore 1 part will be 12 divided by 3 marbles, so 1 part is 4 marbles. Bill received 5 parts, so 5 parts will be 4 times 5, because 1 part is 4 marbles, and Bill received 5 parts, so 5 fours. So 5 parts represent 20 marbles. So Bill received 20 marbles. So let's continue on the next slide. Sue and Mary went into business together. Sue invested $3,000 in the business, and Mary invested $5,000. In the first month, Sue received $960 from the profits. If the profits are divided according to the initial money invested, how much does Mary get? So we have Sue is to Mary, that's with respect to the initial investments, is 3,000 to 5,000. When we simplify that, we get 3:5. So Sue's share was 3 parts. Right? Because Sue is mentioned first and there's the 3. So Sue's share will be 3 parts, and that represents $960. So 1 part represents $320. So you divide 3 into 960. So 5 parts will be 5 times $320, and that's $1,600, and that is Mary's share. Number 3. Ted, Mike and Wal share money in the ratio 2:3:7. If Mike gets $2,400, what do the other 2 people receive? So Mike received 3 parts of the total because he was mentioned second, and 3 is the second number. So 3 parts represent $2,400. 1 part will be $2,400 divided by 3, so 1 part is $800. Therefore 2 parts will be $800 by 2, and that's $1,600. That's Ted's share, because he was mentioned first. 7 parts will be $800 times 7, which is $5,600, and that's Wal's share, because he was mentioned third. So this video has introduced us to a few straightforward problems on ratio, and the trick is to read the problem very carefully, look at the ratios that have been given, and make sure you look at the correct order for each person.